Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2015 Honda CBR500R. This bike has just under 7,000 miles on it and is still in excellent condition. It has had a very minor tip over on both sides, but not a lot of damage done, and the damage that's there is very minimal. So let's take a walk around this all stock bike. I'll show you what we've got and then we'll fire it up for you. Excuse me. This is a great starter bike. People really enjoy this. Plus, it's a great upgrade for somebody that might be on a smaller starter bike. Tires are still in great shape. Plenty of miles left on them. So on the right side here is probably the lesser of the two. So we've got a little scraping there on the mirror, lever, bar end, and exhaust. Excuse me. Rear tire, good condition as well. Plenty of miles left on that. So on the left side here, there's a little bit more damage, but again, it's still pretty minor. So we've got a small scratch in the tank here. There we go. There we go. Yep, right here. So we've got some scraping on the middle fairing. I just noticed too, it looks like we've got a little start of a little tiny split there too as well. Engine cover, cowl, and clutch lever has got the ball broken off of it, but that's going to be replaced on this bike, as well as the mirror. So got a little scrape in here. So mirror is not going to be replaced. I just want to make sure that's understood. So all right. So like I said, stock, minimal damage to it. Still a sharp looking bike. Still a clean looking bike for the most part too. 6917 is what's on it. This CBR 500R will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, your accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.